Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Bitcoin from Gemini to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Bitcoin securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. This process has been updated for 2025 with enhanced security features, so let's get started right away. First things first, make sure you have your Gemini account set up and verified. Log in to your Gemini dashboard. That's the hub for all your crypto activities. Once you're in, navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section, usually found in the Wallet or Funds area. It's super straightforward, but double-check for any 2025 updates like two-factor authentication prompts. Next, select Bitcoin as the asset you want to withdraw. Gemini might show a list of your holdings, so pick BTC from there. Now, here's the crucial part. Enter your Trust Wallet address. Open your Trust Wallet app, go to your Bitcoin wallet, and copy the receive address. Paste it carefully into the Gemini withdrawal form to avoid any mix-ups. Remember, crypto addresses are case-sensitive. Before you hit confirm, review the details. Check the amount you're withdrawing, any associated fees, which in 2025 might be lower due to network upgrades, and ensure everything matches. Gemini will likely require a confirmation code sent to your email or phone for added security. Once verified, submit the withdrawal request. After that, sit tight. Bitcoin transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Trust Wallet and keep an eye on the Transactions tab to track the incoming BTC. Pro tip: always use a hardware wallet for long-term storage to keep your assets safe. And just like that, you've successfully withdrawn your Bitcoin from Gemini to Trust Wallet. This method is not only simple but also empowers you to manage your crypto more independently. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay secure and happy trading.